Dreams without actions do not materialize. On the contrary, long-term visualization without the results cause panic attacks from useless awaiting. In order to start turning dreams into action, one needs to bring oneself into a state of balance. And one of the ways that helps me is a good plan. In front of you is a first of many pages of my new in-depth professional blueprint that you or your team can use to build a spacious Gothic arched tiny home. There are no reasons to make mistakes, as they have already been made by others, and correct ways to go about the construction are presented in my set of drawings. I wish I had this set earlier this year before I started building my Gothic arch. Living in this home for the last 3 months allowed me to draw up all the necessary details that you'll need to have in order to build your cozy nest. To get an engineer's approval, I've used the standard methods of timber construction and typical material sizes. The first 70 folks who invest in this blueprint will receive a gift from me, my new video class.